In this video walkthrough, we go over how to request an Uber ride in 2018. When opening the app, we'll be welcomed with this screen. Your location will be indicated by the blue dot on the map. If you are new to Uber, consider using this promo code to receive free ride credit. Let's click on the car and clock icon. Here we will get an option to schedule a ride in advance. Note you also have a pickup guarantee listed below. Now let's click on Where To. Note the app will always default yourself as the intended passenger. You can click on your name on the top of the screen and also request a ride for someone else in your contacts list. Here we can manually enter our destination, choose from saved places, or choose from recent destinations. Now let's click on the plus icon. Here you may add a stop during your trip. Please keep stops to 3 minutes or less. Note the passenger app will always default your current location as the pickup address. You may also manually change the pickup location. Let's request a ride from Starbucks to the airport. Here you will see your ride options. The default ride option in most markets is the standard UberX. Additional economy options like Express Pool and Uber Pool may also be available. You may also click on the information icon and price tag icon to see a price breakdown. Premium ride options, extra seat options, and more may also be available. See these options by swiping left. Note this screen also shows you your estimated time for pickup. Here you can also see an estimated time for arrival as well as available seat count as well. Once choosing your ride type, click on Confirm at the bottom of the screen to request your driver. In order to set up payments for your ride, click on the menu button located on the top left of your main screen. Then click on Payment. I hope this video walkthrough helped you understand how to request an Uber ride in 2018. Consider leaving a like on this video and sharing it with someone as well.